Maybe you've already seen these chapter markers in YouTube videos, for example, in the last videos of this channel. Then you're probably asking yourself, how do you create chapters on YouTube? How do you mark these parts of your videos? And how can you add markers to existing videos of yours? We will discuss all of this and much more in this video. Hello and welcome to the Tubix YouTube channel. I'm Jan Fassbender, YouTube expert from So Geht YouTube, and especially with longer videos, viewers tend to leave the videos at some point, especially if they are no longer interested. But maybe there's a part later in the video that they would be interested in, but how should they know? This is where the new chapter markers can help. Timestamps have pretty much always been on YouTube. You could always put these timestamps in your video description, but what's new is that you can see the chapters they create in the timeline of the video. This feature has been tested for quite some time now, so you've probably seen these timelines before, but now it has been published to every YouTuber, so you can use them now. If you want to see how they look, just hover over the timeline of this video and you can see these chapters. So how do you add these chapter markers to your videos? You need to add them to your description. You can either do this while uploading your video or later when editing it. You can do it on YouTube or you can use the handy video editor on the Tubix app. In here we will add 0:00 to mark the first moment of the video. It's very important that you put this exact timestamp in your description, otherwise it's not going to work. This needs to be the first timestamp and we'll just call it intro, for example, and then we do a new line and put in our next timestamp. Alright, so I've put in all the chapters and gave them names. These are the exact timestamps when each chapter starts. That's very important, and you can put little dashes in afterwards or you can just do a single space. This doesn't matter. YouTube will just take the text afterwards. But again, it's very important that the first one is 0:00. And then we can just do update in YouTube, and if we open this video on YouTube, we will see, if we go in our video description, we have these timestamps, and these are the exact timestamps that we have in our video, and we have added chapters to our video. Let's go over some frequently asked questions. First of all, when are changes updated? Usually immediately after you made them, at least in my experience so far. If they don't update immediately, YouTube says that they will update in the next 24 hours. If they don't, make sure you formatted your timestamps correctly, like I showed you before. What if you have these new chapter markers in your videos, but you don't like them? You can disable them pretty easily by just changing your first timecode from 0 seconds to something else. Just change it to, for example, 1 second, and those chapter markers will be gone. And what about languages and countries? Are chapter markers available in every country? According to YouTube, yes, they are. They are available in every country and every language. There's just one important thing to know. The chapter text will only be in the language of the creator. They are not going to be translated. So this is how you can add YouTube chapter markers to your videos. What do you think of this new function? So this is how you can add YouTube chapter markers to your videos. What do you think of this new function? Are you going to use these chapter markers? What do you think these new YouTube chapter markers can be useful for? I'm very interested to read your answers in the comments below. I hope we'll see each other in the next video. That's it from me. Bye, your Jan.